How to fix Xbox Live sign-in issue error code 0x87dd0006. 1. Check the official Xbox Live server status page and see if the issue has been resolved or not. FYI, there were reported issues with the store and subscriptions, games, and gaming, as well as cloud gaming. 2. Rectify current billing information in your Xbox or MS account. Note, ensure your billing information is correct. 3. Delete then add your profile. 4. Update your console. And download, install. Then update Xbox Accessories app from Windows Store. 5. Unplug your console. Restart your router, if any. And unplug your Ethernet from your console. 6. Sign into a different account. 7. Sign out of every services and forget your Wi-Fi. And unregister then re-register your Xbox device. 8. Factory reset your Xbox. 9. Insert the game disc. 10. Check your network configuration.